Hey guys, my name is Marlo. Welcome to my channel. I'm here in Las Vegas, and today we're going to talk about a DIY car vent air freshener, guys. Have you ever walked into a luxury hotel or spa, and as soon as you walk into that lobby, you're like, what is that luxury smell, that aroma that is coming to me right now? So this is what happened to me a few weeks ago. I was at the Margaritaville in San Diego. I was at the bar drinking my margarita, and I just smelled this good smell, layered just right to make me just feel so special. Like, wow, this smells so good. I'm at a very luxury spot right now, so I wanted to mimic this. And I have these good smelling oils in my home, but I wanted to create an idea for a vehicle to where we absolutely did not need a machine. And the reason, I'll tell you why we don't want to use a machine, I'll tell you at the end of the video. But I have these three separate inexpensive products that make it a DIY, guys. So have you ever went and got an air freshener for like Walmart or like a little store, and you got one of those paper fresheners, and they didn't last long, right? Well, they're only made to be good smelling for a few couple of days because they use hard solvents and additives to accomplish that. And they're very cheaply made, and that's why I thought of this idea. I'm probably the first to create this idea with this cellulose sponge, which is made from a plant. And then we have this wooden clip here with vents, guys. And I'm going to tell you why these oils are so special. So these hotels, they use these special oils that are 100% with no additives, so they can put it inside their HVAC systems to diffuse this oil into these small micro aromas throughout the hotel, which makes it safe, guys. So I wanted to mimic that. All right, so I have this car vent clip. We'll put it on my vehicle, and it has a little magnet. And this sponge here, what you're going to do, and why I chose this cellulose, because it disperses the oil evenly and upholds the oil very evenly as well. So I have my oil here, which is Santal. It smells so luxury, guys. It's their #1 oil, and it's so cheap. It's kind of like a sample oil. They don't have a specific product. This is not made by them. This oil is made by them. I just found them to be the best. And you put it on both sides of the sponge here, and as soon as you clip this on your AC system, it acts like a mini HVAC system, like as the hotels would do, and it blows past the vents. Make sure the sponge is smaller than the vents in the back, and it blows through the little chamber and disperses all that good aroma throughout the cabin of your vehicle, and it smells so luxury, guys. So I know they have machines that are nebulizers that have that cold air diffusion as well, and they're good, but imagine me having one of those little mechanical devices in my vehicle in 115-degree weather, and they're just not going to last long, right? And when you put those expensive oils in those machines, they evaporate, which means you got to keep on continuing to put massive amounts of oil in those machines. So I do recommend those during the winter time, and I'll show you some nebulizers down in the description that can use any oil, any brand, and they are good. But this is the most DIY, best smelling air freshener you can create, and I created the idea just for you guys. So if you like this type of content, continue to follow my channel. My channel's a DIY home channel, and I'm here to help you guys. So I'll put down below the top 5 smelling scents of this company, and they're the best, guys. There's nothing that's better than this. All the corporations, most of the hotels and spas order from this company, and I'm giving you guys the cheat sheet. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.